Let's make a hobo stove. I'm going to be using the multi-tool that I got from Daiso, which is a very off-brand, it literally has no brand name on here, to make this. So let's go ahead and do it. Super easy. Let's do it. Looky, 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 looky. Oh yeah. It's boiling very, very fast. It's got a really nice hot flame. This is very hot. It's a hot flame on a hot day. It is literally like 92 degrees out right now. And you know what? If you can't drink hot coffee on a hot day, I don't want to hang out, okay? I'm just kidding. I do want to hang out with you. I like hot coffee no matter the time of day, no matter the temperature. Just give me the hot coffee. Also, I'm doing it in here instead of out there because it's really windy out there. And I want to be a responsible fire starter, pyro. All right, this is hot enough for me. It's very, very hot. Ooh, very hot. I'll bring it down. Okay, 1, 2, do. Place this over here. Let it sit there for a hot minute. I am so impressed with this multi-tool from Daiso. I highly recommend that people run over to Daiso right now and get it. I mean, it's held up, like, and everything looks good. The saw still looks great. The knife still looks great. The pliers looks great, and everything is still together. I mean, of course, I only used it one time, but that was a pretty big, you know, task there. So I'm just really, really happy with these. It did it. All right. Ooh, let's get some coffee here. Gotta get the close-up of the pour. Oh, better pay attention too. As you can see, the Hobo stove is nice and worn in now. We have charted up real good. It is worn in and it is ready for continued use. This Hobo stove took mere moments to put together with that multi-tool. If you have just a regular knife, you can do it with that. You don't need the multi-tool. It is helpful to like bend things and whatever, but it's just really nice. And of course you can change this. You can even add air holes up here. A lot of people do that as well. The design is pretty variable. You could also just pop that off if you wanted to, but folding it in seemed like the easiest thing to do at the time. So get a can, go have some fun poking holes in it, and then make something with it, you know? Go make some coffee. Cheers! Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Praying today. Go out and make your own Hobo stove today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.